In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload website to GoDaddy cPanel hosting. Upload a website on internet. By the end, you'll have your site files online and loading from your domain. All you'll need is your GoDaddy account with an active cPanel hosting plan, your domain, and your website files on your computer. If your site is a collection of files and folders, consider preparing a single zip to make the upload faster. Start by going to the GoDaddy website and signing into your account. Once you're in, click your profile icon at the top and open My Products. This page lists everything you own. Under the Domain section, click Manage All, then open DNS. This is a quick way to confirm you're looking at the domain you intend to use. You don't need to change anything here for this upload, but it's helpful to know where DNS lives in case you ever need it. Next, head back to My Products and find the Web Hosting section. Locate your hosting plan and click Manage. On the hosting dashboard, select cPanel Admin. This launches the control panel for your hosting account where you can manage files, databases, and email. From here, open File Manager. If it prompts you for a directory, choose the home directory and proceed. In File Manager, locate and open the public HTML folder. This is the document root for your primary domain, meaning whatever you place here is what visitors will see when they load your site. If you're using an add-on domain or subdomain, its document root may be a different folder, but for a standard setup, public HTML is the correct place. Click the Upload button at the top. You can drag and drop your website files directly into the uploader or click Select File to choose them from your computer. Be sure to include every asset your site needs, like images, CSS, JavaScript, and fonts. If your project is large, uploading a single zip is usually faster and more reliable. When the upload completes, go back to public HTML. If you uploaded a zip, right-click it and choose Extract. After extraction, confirm that your files are directly inside public HTML and not nested an extra level down. Your site's main entry file should typically be named index.html or index.php so the server knows what to load first. Finally, open a browser and type your domain name to verify the site is live. If you don't see it immediately, give it a minute, then try a hard refresh or clear your cache. That's it. Your website is now uploaded to GoDaddy cPanel hosting and available on the internet.